Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 30, 2024 Wednesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong October 30, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Wednesday, October 30, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 30, 2024 Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot prices of Mega Lotto 645 is 90 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 jackpot price is 90 million pesos for Wednesday, October 30, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of October 30, 2024 Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.